Hi, I'm Miss Gina. I'm going to talk to you today about helping your child produce the B sound. Buh. Did you know that all sounds belong in a family? One family is called the bilabials, and that means bi, meaning two, labial, meaning lips. So sounds that we make with our two lips. Those are P, M, and B. So today I'm talking about the B sound. Some children have trouble understanding that they need to put their lips together to form a sound. If your child has difficulty doing that, you can try getting on their eye level, sitting where they can see you and they can see your mouth, and you model that sound for them. Another thing you can do is get a mirror and have them practice while they're looking in a mirror. And some children really like to look at themselves in the mirror. Another thing that you can do is just a gentle touch to the lips. Bah, bah, to help them understand that they need to bring those lips together. One thing that is very successful in stimulating a B sound is using bubbles. You can get these little tubes of bubbles at the Dollar Tree. They come four in a pack. It's $1, and usually they're really good bubbles. They blow really easily. So you can tell the child, ba, ba, and then blow the bubbles, which the child will love. Let them pop them. And then when they want more, say, tell me, ba, ba. Usually, bubbles are a great way to get the B sound going. So once your child can say ba, then we start putting it in syllables. Syllables are a step in between the single sound and the word. So, for example, we say ba, a, ba, e, ba, I, ba, oh, ba, ooh. And you can leave a little pause just like that. Ba, a. And when the child is able to do that, then you go on and help them say bay, bee, bye, bow, boo. Once they're able to do that, then you can go to the B sound at the end. So you're going to help them say Abe, Ebe, Ibe, Obe, Oob. By practicing the syllables, that helps carry over into actual words. Words like bat, ball, bean, box, bear, or words that have B at the end, like tube, tub, knob, dab. So these are just beginning ways to start practicing the B sound and hopefully help you be able to better understand your child.